longer out. Oh, look at this young lad. Go on, Zach. Yes, lad. Lad can move. Phew. I hope he slows down. I can't keep this pace up all that. Oh, lovely! Right, lad. That 150 is absolutely singing. Massive roost. Oh, that dirt tastes lovely. Wow, this kid's got some good moves. We've hit a slow crew. Oh my God, sorry. Oh Jesus, he's got his foot stuck. You alright? Yeah. Woo! That was wild. Nice line, Zach. Kid is on the pipe. What's this line? Oh, lovely. Go on, son. Ah! It's not worked out for me. Whoa. Oh, lovely move. Do you see him on that? What's this? This kid's got some right lines. Yes, lad. Absolutely wide open. That's it. Give him some panic revs. Get him tails, lad. In the face. Oh my God, Zach's rapid. Yep. Woo! In bloody bushes then. The anchor's on. That's it, lad. Don't panic. Whoa! Go on, son. Whoa! Go on, lad. I am more off camber than I've ever been on this bit. Get me on that track. That was better. Hey up, this guy's doing us, look. He's absolutely rinsing us, this guy in front. Oh! This will be interesting now. Woo! Oh, the roost! Oh, what is this guy on? Ah! I've lost it! That was where Elliot lost it! It's absolutely on point! I love it! Can't see anything. Who cares? I'm having too much fun. I clipped a tree. My judgment's off. Oh, this is sick. I really want to do a lap with Zach's dad, but he's not having it. Zach is so much better than his dad though. Steady she goes. Oh, high line. Not been up here before. Like it though. How fast are these kids today? I'm so glad I'm not racing anymore. They'd absolutely rinse me. Yoo-hoo-hoo-hoo! God, he turns so well. No wonder I'm not hungry. I'm eating far too much of that dirt today. Oh! The motocross bits are horrible. Come on, lad. This might be my last lap, so I've got to do a quick shout out to Miss C. Dixon. She's a subscriber. Whoa! Trying to concentrate and do this shout out. Come on, you're doing well, let's get at it.
You can get home, have a nice little bubble bath tonight. You're all ready for line morning.
Go on, lad! Go on! Are we having it? This could be the last lap, so I've just got to do a shout out to Miss C. Dixon. She's a subscriber, she got suspended from school this week and she's been watching a back catalogue of my temple on YouTube. Fair play to her. I'm not an advocate of getting suspended, but if you are at home doing nothing, get on the channel. This probably might even be a sign out, so like and subscribe, tell everyone, especially your parents, to subscribe, and your grandparents if you've got them, because they're going to love this shit. And yeah, this has been a day at Spaunton Quarry on an epic track. We're following little Zach Stainthorpe here. This is a rider to watch for the future, everyone. Look at him. Oh my god, I can't even get near him. Woo! Oh, more mud in the mouth. Wow, front was loose on there. Yes, bro. Some of this mud's nearly knocking my teeth out. Oh, that caught me up. Together! Double luggage, slippy routes. Oh, the loose stuff. Ooh. Rail that berm. What we like for camera lensing. You've got a lot to think about when you're vlogging this. Thank you. Lighting it up on them rocks. Whoa, what's happened there? Shouldn't have gone in that route, should I? Ah.